let's make some peach cheese danishes. Let's turn some plants into possibilities. So for this recipe, you guys, you're gonna need some peaches. I got these beautiful peaches from my sister's tree. These peaches are so good. Oh, so good. And then you're gonna need some pastry cheese. These are the ones I use. I got them from Whole Foods. They are 100% vegan. You're gonna need some cream cheese. I use Mika, whatever. I call it Mykonos. That's not the word, but that's just what I say. But yeah, I use this cream cheese. You're gonna need some powdered sugar, some milk, and yes, a little bit of butter too. So let's get started. So first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and wash my peaches off. I'm using my cutting board, one size for plating, one size for cutting. We will be using the cutting side. All right, and I'm just gonna slice them at the top. They are so soft. And just kind of take out the core part of there. And put your oven on 350. But yeah, I'm gonna just slide those to the side. And I'm leaving my stems on because I want to. You can peel them if you like, but I feel like that's just so much work. Let's give it a try. Oh, these are some good peaches. Okay, I got my peaches sliced up. Let's go ahead and work on the filling. Okay, in a bowl, we are going to take, I'm gonna take about less than half of cream cheese. Maybe like half of the, half cream cheese. And then I'm also gonna add some vanilla extract in here, about a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a tiny bit of salt, and a little bit of powdered sugar. Just a little bit in there. Sugar. And a little bit of cane sugar as well. Cane or coconut sugar, it's totally up to you. I'm adding about half a teaspoon of that. Taste it. Let that go down for a little bit longer. I'm gonna put a tiny bit of milk in here, the tiniest bit, just so that this is a more creamier texture. That is what we're looking like. Now it's time to do our pastry dishes. So I'm gonna add some butter to the pan. Take one piece. In fours. Okay, perfect. Just lay those out. So I'm gonna score the ends so that it puffs up around and leaves a little pocket. Dollop of that cream cheese right in the middle. I added too much. I made way too much cream cheese filling. Oopsies. And then we're gonna take our peaches and just line those up right in the middle. We are going to put these in the oven until they become nice and brown and crispy. Okay, while I'm waiting for the glaze to finish, or while I'm waiting for the pastries to finish, we're going to make a little glaze. I'm going to take some powdered sugar, a little bit of milk, and a dash of lime juice because I don't have any lemons. And there is my glaze for on top. Okay, our pastries are finished. Oh, they look so good. I cannot wait to bite into these. Our glaze on top. Wow. And they are so nice and crispy. Let's try this and see, y'all. Oh wow. So crunchy. I'll talk to y'all later. See y'all next time.